Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a southeast Illinois cornfield where a John Deere X9 1100 combine is harvesting the crop, equipped with a 40-foot wide John Deere C16F 16-row 30-inch corn head. This big machine is the largest combine available from John Deere. It features a 67.7-inch wide feeder house. It's equipped with 24-inch diameter dual rotors that are 11 feet 5 inches long. The combine is powered by a John Deere 13.6-liter 827 cubic inch engine rated at 690 max engine horsepower. This machine is fitted with a 460 bushel grain tank that empties through a 31-foot long unloading auger that pours grain out at 5.3 bushels per second. The X9 combine featured in this video is a signature edition, which means it includes the ultimate comfort and convenience package, the ultimate visibility package, the ultimate suspension package, and the ultimate technology package from John Deere. Many viewers of this video may be curious about the price tag of this combine. A premium package X9 1100 combine with tracks has a list price of $980,503. This machine represents a major investment for a farming operation. It also offers a major upgrade in harvesting capacity. That is something viewers of this video will be able to watch out on the ground as the combine is harvesting the corn crop, and I'll also take viewers up in the cab of the X9 1100 to visit with the farmer to get his perspective of harvesting corn with a dual rotor John Deere combine. As the combine works its way across the field, you can see that the 16-row head does a great job in chopping up the stalks. It's cutting them right down to help that decay process start. And then it also has stompers on it, so it's pushing the stalks down. And when we roll back some of the leaves here, you can see there just isn't any corn on the ground. There's one little kernel right there, but it's just doing a great job out here in the field. Very impressive combine. I'm up in the cab of the John Deere X9 1100, and it's harvesting 16 rows of corn. Very very impressive combine. What do you think of it so far?
It's really nice. Lots of horsepower, able to get over a lot of acres. Right now we're averaging about 5,570 bushel an acre, covering 27 acres an hour, running 5.5, 6 mile an hour.
Don't even really feel the corn out there, and that's having the two rotors, I'm sure, helps process it a lot faster.
Yes, it's really smooth. Cleaning capacity is, a lot greater on this combine, and right now we're running in 213, 215 bushel corn, running between 5.5, 6 mile an hour, and it's like it's nothing.
And I didn't really notice any corn out on the ground either. It seems to really pick it and keep it clean.
Yes, it's doing a wonderful job.
So this has row sense. We can see it's automated, making a perfect 40-foot pass. And we'll look at the screen here, and we can see the camera come on as the machine unloads on the go. That's really pouring it out.
Yeah, it is.
I've noticed that basically the auger stays out because this thing is filling up so fast, just moving a lot of corn.
Yes, about the time you get it folded back in, you're going to have to run it back out to unload again. It's got a 460 bushel hopper, but of course at the acres an hour you cover with the bushels coming in, it doesn't take long to fill it.
You can see that grain just pouring out of there. So is there anything in this cab that is updated from the S790, or is it pretty much a similar setup?
Pretty much similar setup. There's a few, like the camera is automatically coming on when you turn on the unloading auger. When your hopper gets 3/4 full, the camera in the hopper comes on and you can watch your hopper finish filling. But other than that, I think it's pretty well close to the same as the S-Series.
Well, it's pretty impressive to see it automated here, just rolling along and unloading on the go. I imagine this is all automated as well to keep up with the yield and self-adjusting.
Yes, yes it is. It's got grain advisor on it. You can fine tune it to where you like to have it set. Set the speed you want to run, and it will change with the change of the height for the bushels per acre.
Sense the wishbone there, we'll grab the row of corn, and then the combine goes on to auto guidance. You can see that corn just start to pour in. I hope that you've enjoyed taking in the sights and sounds of the corn harvest in this southeast Illinois field. With a big 690 horsepower, 460 bushel, dual rotor John Deere X9 1100 combine, equipped with the 16-row John Deere C16F corn head. Does your farm use John Deere combines to harvest your crops? Would you like to put one of these new X9 machines to work in your operation next season? I'd like to hear about it in the comment section below this video. And if you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.